Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we are about to start over 120 videos on the Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2 sewing machine and embroidery machine. But there's some highlights that most people just don't realize this machine has. And if you're considering purchasing it, please head over to your local Husqvarna Viking retailer, sit in front of this machine for yourself and touch it, sew on it, do a little embroidery. See if this machine is right for you, because once you realize what is in this machine, it is off the charts. 5 years ago, I would have never dreamed of having some of these features in the machine. So one of the things that I do love about it is, number one, how quiet it is, how much light is at the sewing area. There's lights all the way through here. If you're a quilter, you're gonna love that extra space. If you're an embroiderer, you're gonna love the huge 10 inches across by 14 inches tall embroidery hoop that comes with this machine. It is got the bigger bobbins, it's got the piercing power that is crazy. It will go through 32 layers of regular cotton fabric. I've put over about 16 layers of denim in here, and it will push it through. It's got kind of a pulsating power on the motor that none of my other machines have with that. The first thing I'm going to do when I get around to sitting down is I'm going to log into the Wi-Fi, get any updates that have been out since this machine was put in its original box. So anything that I need updated, the new designs, the new blog posts are all going to come into this machine. Now, I mentioned how many videos we're doing for you, but there is over 100 videos already in this machine to help you step by step get through understanding the machine. I know people say, yeah, manuals are what they are. Oh, manuals don't have what I need. Well, the information is there, but I bet you learn a little differently. You learn by hearing and doing, hands-on. So the tutorials that are already in this machine are amazing. And since I love decorative stitches, this machine now has a 9mm wide stitch width, side-to-side motion stitches that are even bigger. Plus, they have added the Husqvarna Viking IDT, or integrated dual feed. So that has like a built-in walking foot, means you don't have to purchase a walking foot separately for this machine. It's now all on board. And the new MySewNet library that you can have access to thousands of designs is pretty off the charts. So again, so many opportunities that I don't even know where to start for highlights. You have to take a look at what this machine has, because it's nothing that you'll expect. It also has a feature called ribbon embroidery. So there is an optional accessory that you can buy that lets you stitch with or embroider with ribbon. And I can't wait to show you that once we get to the embroidery videos. So I hope you'll join me on an amazing journey as we go through every corner of this machine. I hope you'll check out our online courses as well. We have the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos online course, which you can watch me go through 25 different sewing techniques featuring 18 different presser feet. Plus, we have our Embroidery Essentials online course. So if you're a newer embroiderer and don't know where to start, that's a great one to have a project to follow along. We did it on the Viking EPIC. So you'll see very similar things that you have on this machine, and you can follow along no problem. But I can't wait to hear from you, see the things that you are making on your brand new Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2.